Hi everyone, today I will tell you how to create your own Flash token in EVM network using ETH TRC20. First, I want to answer the frequently asked questions. These tokens are fully tradable, they can be converted into other coins, and they can be used to pay anywhere. Consider that we are registering a new token USDT. First, you need to copy the code that we will use in the future. You can find it in the description of the video. For create, you will need at least 1 ETH. With this investment, we can craft about 70,000 USDT. Open remix.ethereum.org. Create a new project and name it USDT.sol. Next, paste into it the code you find in the description. Now go to the Solidity compiler and select version 0.6.6 plus. After that, go to the Deploy Run Transactions section here. Select Wallet Connect and connect your wallet. In the token name field, enter Tether and USDT and click Transact to deploy the smart contract. To specify the correct commission, we need to copy the value on the left and round up to a whole number. In the video, I rounded the value to 11, but it is not necessary. If we see a value of 8.35, we should write 10 Guaya in this line. To successfully create a smart contract, you will also need ETH in your wallet to cover the gas. Deposit the smart contract with an amount greater than 0.1 ETH. Keep in mind that by withdrawing tokens from the smart contract in the future, you may lose liquidity. Once the balance is displayed, click Start and confirm the transaction. Don't forget to set the true fee value. Then click Withdraw and sign the transaction again. Make sure you have $40 to $50 in your wallet to cover the gas for 3 actions on the blockchain. Wait for a few minutes and you will see USDT ERC20 in your wallet.